Guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, we publish videos on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and cryptocurrency. So today's videos will be focusing more on how to increase your Adsense CPC. Adsense is one of many methods that you can monetize your website with. So when you have a high ad CPC, any visitor that clicks your ads on your website, that are placed on your website, you will stand a chance of getting more revenue on your AdSense. So first thing first, one of the biggest way to increase your AdSense CPC is to focus on a niche. Decide on a high CPC niche. So some of the niches that have high CPC are health, like this medicalnewstoday.com is a website that has that writes article on health. As you can even see, they have AdSense on their site. So these sites earn more when any visitor clicks on their site because of they are focusing more on health. And another niche is cryptocurrency, and we have many other niche like domain, gadget, banking, automobile, real estate, loans, jobs, and so on and so forth. So another thing to consider when you want to increase your site's CPC, you need to focus on your content. You must write content that should answer readers' queries. So before writing blogs, try to find out what your readers are searching on the internet and then try them with solutions. Write detailed articles on these topics that you have found out. So you can start with keyword research. So the third method is to target high CPC countries, Taiwan countries like the US. When you are getting visitors from the US, and if they click your site, you tend to earn more when they click your ads rather than focusing on some African countries like Nigeria, Libya, and the rest. So another thing to focus is your ad placement. Never neglect the placement of your ads on the web page, as it is directly proportional to your AdSense revenue. So place 2 ads inside your blog post and 1 outside the post. As far as placing inside goes, then place 1,336 times 280 ads on your site. So the last method is for you to keep experimenting. For you to find out what works, you need to try out one thing, try out the other, and see what works best for you. So you can try out any of those methods. Then anything that works best for you, then you focus more. You go all in. So that's just it.